right, guys, so here it is. This is the new ride. Sold the Jeep, sold the Roush, sold the side-by-side, bought the F-150. This is a 2020 F-150 in what they call a rapid red color. It's not a burgundy, it's not a bright red, it's not even the ruby red that they had a few years ago. This is rapid red. I believe it's a new color for 2020. This is an XLT Sport. Has the sport package, has a couple other things. I'll open it up here and show you guys what all it's got on it as far as options goes. So this has 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost, 355 ratio gear axle, front license plate bracket, boo, I took that off already. It does have the navigation, the Class 4 trailer hitch, manual folding power glass, the heated mirrors, the equipment group, power sliding rear window, LED box lighting, 110 volt outlet, and then the sport package. This does have, like I said, the larger screen, so it's got Apple CarPlay, which was a must for me. Well, this is what it looked like. Cloth seats. I do like the cloth seats. Leather is okay. I've had leather before, but these are really nice with the tire tread pattern down the center. I like that idea. I've already sprayed them with some CarPro fabric protectant, but I like the cloth seats over the leather. I had cloth in the Jeep. I liked it. It was nice and cool when you got in. It wasn't burning, scorching hot for you. This does have the heated and cooled seat option, but nice little carbon fiber on the door panel. This is the crew cab because I have a car seat, I have a daughter, and we're gonna be hauling stuff with the move. So you can see I've added my first aid kit to the back of the headrest there. No really other mods to this yet. This is pretty much completely stock. The only thing I did add first thing was the jam handles, which you can see here. You can use to close the door instead of using your fingers on the outside. I did detail it up a little bit. Did not let the dealership detail it. I did it all myself. I did not want them to touch it and scratch it all up. But I have sprayed the tailpipe with matte black. It was chrome, which I do not like. So you see there, I've sprayed that matte black. And I'm also going to be changing the F-150 badges. I do not like the chrome. I'm taking that chrome off. So those are going to get changed. But there she is. This is the new ride. We got a lot to do. It's already got some mods ordered. Changing this up a little bit. A lot, actually. A lot of mods already ordered, so it'll be nice. But it's got the nice magnetic gray grille, which I like. It'll go well with the mods that are coming. Magnetic gray side steps, which will stay on until I can get some power running boards, and probably a few years before I do that. So, well, there she is. I like it. It's driven well. I like the ride. I'm getting right now 19.5 miles per gallon average in the 3 days that I've owned it. So there it is. So this does have the box lighting. I'll show you guys that. The only thing I did not get that I really wanted, could not find the option truck, was the tailgate step. So I'm gonna be looking for options on that. A lot of people have the kick down amp step there. I'll probably end up getting that because that's really the only other option other than trying to find a used tailgate, which is hard as hell to find. But this does have the bed lighting. Do not have any mods done, so this bed is not coated at all. It's dirty, coated with dust, but it is not Raptor line or Line-X or any of that. I think I'm gonna probably spray it myself with some Raptor liner, sand it down, spray it with Raptor liner. That's what I did on the Jeep. I really liked it. So I think I'll do that as well, and probably spray the Raptor liner possibly up inside of there, or maybe I'll just plastic dip it black. So either way, this is what it looks like right now. Completely stock. It will be changing, but this is the stock version. So I wanted to give you guys a good walk around on it, show you what it's like with the color. The color is just absolutely gorgeous in the sunlight. See if I can get a good shot of it there. So, all right, guys. Mods to come. Stay tuned.